My name is Suzannah Rose, and I've played the piano for about 18 years. And I'm currently working towards my master's degree in piano performance here at BYU. When I was around 12, I decided I wanted to go into piano in college. The learning atmosphere at BYU is really incredible. I love being surrounded by so many engaged and motivated and talented students. It's so motivating to come to such a beautiful facility every day. My biggest dream in music, I want to be able to support myself doing what I love every day. If I were at a piano on the Titanic and the ship were going down, I would play My Heart Will Go On, obviously. Now that I'm more familiar with Piano Marvel, I can see that it's an incredible teaching tool that really helps students learn how to practice more effectively and helps teachers be able to focus on things like artistry and technique. A common problem I've found Piano Marvel to be helpful in solving is the problem of students practicing mistakes in their daily practice and then coming to lessons and needing to get it fixed. But Piano Marvel really helps guide them through practicing in sections and practicing correctly. Piano Marvel is an incredible digital tool to help students practice more effectively and also keep them motivated and engaged in their practicing. I think the role of technology like Piano Marvel is going to become increasingly relevant in the future. Piano Marvel is really amazing in the way it assists traditional teaching methods and really helps students be the best pianists they can be.